Special focus days are days in which classes are not taught, but instead we have workshops and we focus on topics of global significance. So today's topic was inequality and equity. And then most of the workshops throughout the day are led by the students, and then in the afternoons we are also having some games, simulation games. And the idea, well, in the first place is to bring awareness, somehow to think and reflect from our own individual position, what is our role and how we could actually do something to change the inequality problems.
I have a phrase who maybe can define why I think with this special focus day can be effective of people or not, and it's that the great difference between the privilege and the disadvantage is that the capacity that you develop during this process to grow in personally and to find a way to solve the solutions in the difficulties. So I think this day is really important to realize what can we do as students and what can we do as a movement, not only by words but also by actions.
I came here together with my colleague Yannick to do an introduction to theatre of the oppressed, which is a political theatre form, and it's a way to explore social and political problems, oppressions through theatre. UWC definitely, in my case, really raised my awareness about my position in society, about inequality, about injustice, in a way that I had not experienced before, because we're such a global student population who then become your friends and family.
Those special focus days are really, really important because we come here not only to study in the international environment. I think we have to enjoy this opportunity that is to talk with different people, to see their backgrounds, like their cultures, and to really talk about that. And I think that mainly the special focus day on inequality is important because it's they receive mainly statements, is how to bring peace for the world and how can we change the world somehow. So I think that if we talk about the inequalities and we have more ideas on how to change that in the future.